Okay, so welcome to my channel and thanks for watching the video. Sorry, this time I'm using my laptop camera, so if you see low quality, it's just because of that. So in this video, I'm gonna just do a quick review of this carrying case for the WD hard drive, which I just a couple of days ago did the review, which I'm going to put the link in the descriptions in case you would like to know. So I believe you have to have a carrying case for this. As you can see, it comes with like a I don't know how you name this thing, with a lock or whatever, a band. That was very difficult for me to just put it in, but let's go ahead and put the drive in, and I'm assuming it's going to be a little bit larger. So here, yeah, the Amazon reviews also mentioned that it's going to be larger. Let me just put it in. Yeah, to me it is fine. It just moves a little bit, as you can see. It moves, but like I have no problem with it. Like so long as this part keeps, because there's like this separate part. Let me just bring it here. Okay, so this part, this I don't know what they call this, the spare part, keeps it separate from the cable. Okay. So I'm gonna put the cable in. The cable is very short. So I'm gonna just separate this and put it here, as you can see. Okay. Then I'm gonna put the cable as well. So far I can say I really love this thing because it's dust proof and also splash proof, which means that it keeps your hard drive. Okay, it wiggles or whatever you say in English. Yeah, it does, but it's not in a way that harms the device at all. And this is, as you can see, let me just bring it here. As you can hear, this is like kind of like hard material, whatever it is. So yeah, overall, I just want to say I'm happy, although I wish it was, as other people on Amazon mentioned, I wish it was kind of um, I wish it was kind of like at least a little bit smaller, okay, like the size of the hard drive itself, so that it doesn't wiggle. But I'm assuming, my assumption is that, so this is there so that you can just take this and to be able to just take it out, right? So otherwise you wouldn't be able to put it in or take it out. That's my assumption. But whatever it is, as I said, yes, I really recommend this if you have WD SSD 1 terabyte, 2 terabyte, 512 gigabytes, or even 4 terabytes. I think it's gonna work. Okay, thanks again for watching, and hope you enjoy the video.